The business historically is based around road maintenance and supporting local government. We've done that since the business inception in the 90s. We've been involved in the mining industry since about 2013. It's grown to become 50% of what we do now. And the machines have developed. The market here in Australia has been quite dynamic in that people have wanted more automation and less operators, less people, less exposure on the road. The control systems and the programming and the logic that goes into running the machines has changed exponentially. Over the years we used to use wiring and relays, and now it's all done through programmable components. The guys who do all of that now sit at a computer and write code to make the machines operate. We do all the design, all the engineering, that programming software, everything in-house here in Brisbane. So we do the steel work, the laser cutting, folding, fabrication, blast and paint, and some preliminary assembly at our facility in the Philippines. And then we bring it all to Brisbane. We fit all the control systems, all the hydraulics, a lot of the fitting out, mount the machine onto a truck, all here locally in Brisbane. With servicing and maintaining the fleet, we set up a workshop up in Moranbah, which is sort of central to the Queensland Bowen Basin mining. So we have our own workshop up there. We do all our own maintenance, our servicing up there. We've just recently started servicing other companies' equipment as well, so we do service other trucks and light vehicles. We've just opened a workshop in Perth. More and more of our customers are in Western Australia, and so it made sense for us to have a base there, mainly initially to get their parts to them on time. So we stock all our parts and stage all our parts in Perth, and we can ship those parts to the northwest. Well, our downtime, I believe, is probably industry best at this stage. We will generally provide a service exchange truck for a client so that if equipment needs to come off site for servicing, most of the time we can provide them with another piece of similar or matching equipment that they can continue to use while their truck's being serviced. Off the back of that, we built our own hire fleet, which meant that the evolution and the development really happened quite rapidly, because every truck we built was improved and changed and upgraded. So the development of the equipment happened really rapidly through that process.
Leasing versus sale, really that's determined by the customer. And it depends on their CapEx decisions and where they're at as a company with funding. We're happy to do either. Some companies will lease for that reason because they don't want to spend their own capital. Other companies will want to trial the equipment for a short period and then make a decision and build a business case once they've had the equipment on site for, say, 6 months.
Not that many companies that do what we do. That process where from drawing it, coming up with an idea, sketching it, engineering it, working it all out, seeing it come to life, that's quite a fun process to be involved in.